here we are again. Going to hang out with Junior Munoz, but this time we're going on a hog hunt. And we had talked about it the last time. But when we came down the last time, we got hammered with a lot of rain. And guess what? We're getting hammered with the rain again, but this time, as you can see, we got a whole lot of lightning going on. Let's just hope that all this passes by tomorrow morning and we don't have to deal with this, and we'll deal with the wet conditions out there, but let's hope we don't get rained on again. Alright. Let's just keep moving forward. Ooh, look at that lightning.
Hey guys, Jason again right here with War-Yakerz. See here, I am signing the hat. Got the War-Yakerz logo. It's people that are here doing the Serve Outdoors for us that are putting all this event together. And we're here at Hopper's Landing. And we have the gentleman right here who's helping manage the Aransas Wildlife Refuge. That's what we're hunting at. That young lady sitting right over here, she's the owner of this establishment. She is the one that we're handing the hat to. They're going to be hanging it up on the hat. You see the rack up here, all these hats up there. All that is we're throwing up our hat to add to the deal. War-Yakerz, check it out. With the United States logo on there for representing us military guys. Here we go. This is Miss Adela. She got it on. Representing. That's it.
Represent. Oh, that's our represent.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode. I am here with some buddies.
Yeah.
And
I'm gonna run down the Boy Scout camp down that area. All right, buddy.
So,
yeah, nobody's done that way.
We're out here early.
Somebody wants to ride with me and see what we can find. All right, man. Good luck. We wish you some luck.
Got Renee right here.
All right.
There's Renee. Hey, look who's there, guys. It's Junior Munoz again, taking us out. Right over here, he's in the dark, but you'll see him in a little bit. That's one of my good battles right there.
All right.
It is.
We're gonna get some killing done.
Sargento Davila. Sergeant Davila.
Meet your meat drill, something. What you say?
Alrighty, guys, here we are. Getting ready to get rolling. Here's Junior. Got the buggy out. Stranger. Alright. Alright, guys, here we are. This is our blind up here. We got Edward up there, Ed. And we are about to try to get on some hogs. I'm gonna go ahead and climb myself up there and let's see how this goes. All right, guys, let's get up there. Okay guys, here we are. We didn't have much luck up in the blind, so we decided to get back up on the UTV. Junior's driving us around, and we're all actually moving and looking for hogs on the run. We didn't find anything right away, but we did end up harvesting one, and you'll see here shortly the end result of that. And hey, I hope you guys are enjoying it. There you go, first hog. Yeah, there you go. Ed got him one. That's what we're talking about.
Got it? I don't know.
Alright guys. Hey, right now we are actually at that point where we came in, took a nap, getting ready to load back up and head back out for our evening hunt, and we're gonna see what we can get done out here. We didn't do too bad earlier today. I didn't video any of the cleaning. I'm not sure how many people would be interested in seeing any of that, but if you guys are interested in seeing some of that hog cleaning in action by a bunch of guys that are not exactly experienced at cleaning hogs, But just for the entertainment value, hey, maybe I'll load that up one day. But at this point, you know, hey, we'll see what we can get done. The rigs are just going out and taking us out. All right, guys. See you back in a minute.
Hey, we're gonna go ahead and finish this up as far as for the awards today. But you guys, I went around earlier today and I got all the veterans put down their name on a piece of paper. We were gonna do a drawing. Greg has actually donated a piece of wood that I'm not saying that it's big to sit on, but anyways, there's actually, where is it? Go. That's it.
We're not on that page there. Nope. You're on that page one, but give me
Say thank you.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and draw a name out of here.
Thank you.
That's not mine.
Sergeant Monka? What? Your buddy.
Yeah.
Man just walked in.
Yeah. He said, yeah. What do you get?
He won a beard trimmer.
Ooh. Hell yeah, that's badass.
made it John the Saw.
That's awesome.
This is what he ended up with. There's a guy that one of Greg's friends that's over in New Mexico, and he actually makes things. Oklahoma, I'm sorry. And he actually made these.
Not Texas. Not Texas.
And, Greg went ahead and donated it to give away to one of the veterans tonight. So this is what he actually won.
What's it made out of?
What kind of
Deer antler and stone.
stone?
Yeah, the blade's stone. What kind of rock is that?
I'll have to get back with you on that.
And it's antler. Thank you, Greg.
Wow.
You think it's sharp enough to
It
be
will,
out of it?
it will work.
No, I'm looking at you, sir.
All right, you guys.
So then the legendary part of each year, what we do is we've got some really unique awards that we present every year. Kind of become customary.
Where's your bag at?
All right, so the guy who had the most misses from what we were hearing, the feedback that we got, Steve, come on up here. We figure you can't shoot what But this is our 4th year out here doing this, and Junior was the one who actually reached out to us, the Serve Outdoors guys. There was so many moving parts that came out, got it going. Jeff's customized his helmet. But thank you. I hope you guys have had a good time.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. If you didn't know, well, but we do this every year, God willing,
Thank you.
that it happens.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Because of this service, we get to live in this great country. And I know you hear it way too often, the cliches, but around us, we just give you as much hell as you give us. And I think that's what makes our group so special.
Cool.
Amen.
All right.
All day.
Just like that, hey, we're about to wrap it up. We're gonna finish having the rest of the evening here with the rest of these guys. A bunch of guys out here having a good time drinking a few beers. That was it. That was it. All right, hey, see you in a minute. All right, guys, we're here putting the fire extinguisher back on one of the UTVs. Unfortunately, this one right over here, this one, caught fire right around in there. And we had to cut this morning trip down, cut it short a little bit. But right now we're on our way to go back out and recover some seeds from another blind. We'll see if we get lucky to see anything out there. But right now, hey, this morning didn't really produce. But the morning's not over, so sit tight and let's see what happens.
Nobody's looking. You gotta say something. Keys whiz. Today, so you're probably gonna have a lot of traffic on the road again. So be very careful going back. We have a fishing tournament June 22nd here again. If you guys want to come get a hold of me and Clint.
We are looking for donations for that too, to put in a raffle. So if y'all can come up with anything and y'all know anybody, you know, kind of donate some stuff, kind of make our little tournament a little bit more interesting and stuff like that. Reach out to some of y'all's guys. I mean, we're gonna be looking for rods, knives, just anything to donate. You know? So,
Hey, I'll definitely get you maybe a good igloo cooler, like the Yeti.
yeah, coolers, you know, stuff like that. You know, just donate, make the tournament a little bit more interesting. Everything would be appreciated. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
For sure.
And just like that, guys, the hog hunt came to an end. Had a lot of fun, met a lot of great guys. Enjoyed working with both Serve Outdoors and the Aransas Wildlife Refuge guys. Thank you guys so much, and we are looking forward to seeing you and working with you again. There's a lot of footage I didn't include on this video because it's kind of the brotherhood thing that we have with the military. But hey, we appreciate everything you've done. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe. And until next time, guys, maybe we'll see you on the water.